Sana, sana.
Hi, I'm Glexy. Today we're at the farm again and I still have to go to the bathroom. See you later. Let's go to the animals.
Go.
Sana, sana. Okay, walk.
There's a big turkey.
I know, but I have so I seen something very cool. Come here.
What is that?
It has a long tail.
Uh-huh.
That's something that I
What?
Oh my God! Look at. That's water too.
Uh-huh.
Ooh. You know what we can do? You can see the chicken. Cock-a-doodle-doo very close now.
Okay, can you go closer a little bit?
Oh, I'm scared. I just gotta put me here.
Hold on, Baba.
Cock-a-doodle-doo!
What? What is it?
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
What?
Smells like food.
What do we have in here? Look at that. What is that? What is that? What is that? Huh? Goat. Mm-hmm. Oh, birds. A cat? Uh-huh. That's the lubut. Try to pet.
Pregnant.
Pregnant?
Look, I have a... Let's go over here and let's have fun playing. This is from mandarins and let's go pick our own oranges.
Ready?
I'm ready to go and standing up.
No. You can't stand, silly.
So hi everyone. Hi. My name's Katie. We have Richard who's driving. We have one really important rule. Well, we have two, but the most important one is that we need to stay seated while the tractor is moving. This is the farm. There are ruts in the road.
There's a rat. There's a lot of rats.
We're gonna see it.
Let's see. Oh, look at that. I found something. Look at that.
Everybody else missed it, huh?
Yeah. Okay, come. Go. Go.
It's here.
Yeah. There you go. Here. Glexy, tell your friends what happened. What ew?
Let's try it.
How is it? What happened to your foot? Go, pick it up. The monkey. Look at me. Wow. Sisi.
Hi friends. Today we're gonna get ice cream.
What else?
And we're at the farm right now, so let's go explore.
Which one?
Chocolate.
Huh?
Chocolate.
Okay, let's have the chocolate. What's your food? Can you tell them?
Rice, chicken, and beef.
Right? Chicken and
And giving. So we're going home after this and eating some ice cream and chocolate.